Welcome back. My name is Jayapratap Singh, and today I'm going to explain the use of component scan. So let's start. What I'll do, I have the same example which I used in last tutorial. So instead of I have this being declared here. So instead of declaring this, what I'll do, I remove that and I will write component scan. And in the base package I will have to provide the package which contain my classes for which I want to all the classes for which I will create the beans. So I will have to declare the package name. So the package is jp. So I'll write jp here and that's it. Yeah, I will have to do some changes in my project. I would say my classes. So I need to write either component or service or repository or controller annotation over these classes, implementation classes. So this is my simple implementation. I'm just going to write a component. That's a basic annotation for component scan component, and I will specify the type. So type will be my interface type. Component pasted here, and this will be same. I don't have to write any annotation over this interface. And yeah, and this one, this will remain same, nothing will change. Okay, so let's try to rerun and see what will happen. Print something. Oh, okay, how it will print. I'm not asking to print anything, so I have to ask my dot show that. Now it will print. Yeah, so since I have not set any value, I'm not using bean declaration, I'm not setting any value, so this field, name field, will be empty, that it will be null, so that's why it is printing null. So if I want to set the field, then what I'll have to do, I will write and then I'll call set name method, and I will set the name as compo scan demo. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I'm calling setter method of this bean, this class, okay, my class, and then I'm setting that value, and then what I'll do, again I will print mi dot. Let's see what will happen. So now it will print null and component scan. Yeah, so first time it is printing null, I have not set any value, and then I am setting this component scan demo, and then when I try to print, just printing components. To see how easy it is, like how convenient it is, you don't have to configure all the beans in your configuration file. Like if you have a large number of beans, like if you have 100 beans, 100 classes you have, and if you then there's a requirement to create the bean of all the classes, then you will have to, if you use simple approach, you will have to write all the beans and dependencies, and all, you will have to do all the configuration in your this XML file, beans.xml file. So that will be a hectic task, that will be like that could create some problem, like if you miss something it will show error. So instead of doing that, what we'll do, we just write component scan and base package which contains all the classes for which we have to create the beans, and then in those classes we will have to use these annotations, either component or repository or service or controller as per the requirement. If it is a controller class, then you will have to use at the rate controller annotation. If it is a repository, like it's a database interaction class like any BO class, then you will have to use at the rate repository. If it is a service class, then you will have to use the service. Or for the basic purpose, if you just want to create the bean of any class, then you can use at the rate component. That is a basic annotation for this configuration. So that's it, and then same way you can create the bean and access the bean. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.